The CMC Athena is a luxurious motorhome offering an impressive 100 square meters, 1,076 square feet of living space when fully expanded. This space is created by its clever slide-out design, which extends the living room, dining room, and bedroom areas, making it as spacious as a high-end apartment. Inside, the Athena is packed with everything you'd expect from a luxury home. It features a fireplace, a chef's kitchen, and even multiple decks for relaxing or entertaining. With all these amenities, it can comfortably sleep a large family or group of friends, making it perfect for those looking for the ultimate RVing experience. However, this level of luxury comes with a steep price tag. While official pricing isn't available, motorhomes with similar features can easily cost over $1 million. If you're searching for top-tier comfort and style on the road, the CMC Athena is definitely one to consider. The Unveil motorhome is a true blend of luxury and innovation, made for travelers who want to explore the world in style and comfort. It's designed to feel like a high-end home on wheels, combining advanced technology with elegant design. This motorhome caters to those who crave the best, featuring incredible amenities like a large garage, slide-out sections for more space, and plenty of storage, all within a sleek, modern exterior. Inside, the Unveil offers pure luxury. A fully equipped kitchen with top-notch appliances, a spacious bedroom with a comfortable premium bed, and a chic bathroom with a full shower and modern fixtures. Every part of the motorhome is thoughtfully designed for ease and comfort, so it feels like you're living in a five-star hotel while on the road. For those willing to invest, the large garage model comes with a hefty price tag of $1.5 million. It's the perfect option for anyone who wants to travel in ultimate comfort and style. The Eco Capsule is a compact, mobile tiny home designed for off-grid living, powered by solar and wind energy. Developed by Nice Architects, based in Bratislava, Slovakia, this innovative home packs a lot into a small space. With just 68 square feet of floor area, it's surprisingly well designed, offering a bathroom, kitchen, and sleeping area. The Eco Capsule is built to be self-sufficient, making it ideal for various uses such as a home office, research station, or even a pop-up hotel. Its eco-friendly design allows it to function completely off the grid, making it a great option for those who want to live sustainably or in remote areas. Though not currently available for purchase, the price of the Eco Capsule is expected to be around $90,000. It's a unique and forward-thinking solution for anyone seeking a minimalist, eco-friendly lifestyle with the freedom to live virtually anywhere. The Ford Travel Motor Coach IH45 is a Class A diesel pusher known for its spacious interior, powerful engine, and luxurious features. Built on the smooth-handling Travel Ride 3 chassis, it offers an incredibly comfortable ride. Under the hood, it's powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine, one of the most powerful available in a motor coach. Inside, the IH45 is designed to feel like a true home on wheels. It includes a full kitchen with a refrigerator, a bathroom with a shower, and a comfortable bedroom featuring a king-size bed. These amenities make extended trips both comfortable and convenient. If you're seeking the ultimate luxury RVing experience, the Ford Travel IH45 delivers. With its top-tier design, spacious layout, and high-end features, it's built for those who want the best in both comfort and performance. Starting at around $1.2 million, Hymer Vision Venture is a cutting-edge concept motorhome created by Hymer, a top name in RVs. It's built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and features hybrid all-wheel drive, which means it's not only smooth on the road, but can handle off-road adventures too. Step inside and you'll find a stylish, cozy space that feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The design focuses on natural materials, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. There's a fully equipped kitchen to cook your favorite meals, a dining area to enjoy them, a bathroom with a shower, and a comfy sleeping area to relax in. The layout makes the most of every inch, so everything feels spacious and practical. What makes the Vision Venture even more exciting are its innovative features. It's made with lightweight materials to improve fuel efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy. Microhaus is a brand that focuses on creating compact, innovative solutions for modern living. Specializing in small space design, their products are crafted to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Whether you're living in an apartment, a tiny home, or just looking to optimize your space, Microhaus provides smart, space-saving furniture and appliances that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. The brand is all about making the most of every square inch, offering products that are not only practical, but also sleek and aesthetically pleasing. Microhaus believes that living small doesn't mean you have to compromise on comfort or convenience. Their designs are intuitive, easy to use, and built with quality materials that ensure durability and longevity. From modular furniture to multifunctional appliances, Microhaus is dedicated to helping you create a modern, efficient living environment. The Mink 2.0 is a cool and cleverly designed mini caravan that's bound to turn heads wherever you go. With its bright yellow accents, stylish alloy wheels, and unique circular doors, it definitely stands out on the road. Built on a reliable Alco chassis with a sturdy monocoque shell, this caravan is as tough as it is stylish. Inside, it's all about comfort and simplicity. The cozy interior features a double bed with a soft artificial leather headboard, making it the perfect place to relax after a day of adventure. One of the best parts is the large panoramic window, ideal for stargazing or just soaking in the beautiful scenery around you. At the rear, under the tailgate, there's a simple but handy kitchen setup with a sink and storage for all your camping supplies. It's everything you need for a comfortable camping experience in a compact space. The Monaco dynasty, officially known as the House of Grimaldi, has ruled the small principality of Monaco for over 700 years. The Grimaldi family first took control in 1297 when François Grimaldi famously seized the fortress of Monaco disguised as a monk. Since then, the family has maintained a long legacy of leadership over the tiny but wealthy Mediterranean nation. Monaco itself is one of the world's smallest countries, but it is famous for its luxury lifestyle, glamorous events like the Monaco Grand Prix, and as a playground for the rich and famous. Over the centuries, the Grimaldi family has weathered many political and social changes, maintaining power while adapting to modern times. The current ruler, Prince Albert II, continues to uphold the family tradition of leadership while focusing on environmental and sustainability issues. Though Monaco is tiny in size, the influence of its ruling dynasty is vast. The RC12M is a luxurious motorhome built by RC Motorhomes in the UK. It's constructed on a sturdy Volvo FH chassis and powered by a 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine. Measuring 12 meters in length and weighing between 18 and 26 tons, this motorhome is built for both power and comfort. It features 4 slide-outs, a 7-meter awning, and a large rear garage spacious enough for a car. Inside, the RC12M boasts high-end finishes and top-quality fixtures. The dining area is large enough to seat up to 10 people comfortably, and the fully equipped kitchen offers everything needed for cooking on the go. The motorhome includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it perfect for extended stays. It even has a laundry room, adding to its convenience for long trips. The RC12M blends impressive style with functionality, offering both luxury and practicality. The Retreat Cabin in Oz X-Corp's ERV is a fully electric off-grid caravan designed for ultimate comfort and durability. Powered by a 14.3 kilowatt lithium battery bank and 16 rooftop solar panels, this eco-friendly RV can run all its appliances, including the air conditioner, microwave, washing machine, and fridge, for several days on a single charge. Inside, the ERV is outfitted with luxurious features. It has a spacious seating area, a master bedroom suite, and a full-size kitchen, equipped with an induction cooktop, fridge, and washing machine. The bathroom includes a ceramic cassette toilet and a fiberglass shower, ensuring a comfortable off-grid living experience. Priced at around $110,000, the ERV combines luxury and sustainability, making it perfect for those who want to enjoy off-grid living without sacrificing convenience. Whether for extended trips or remote camping, 7lam is a brand known for creating reliable and efficient products designed to make your daily tasks easier. Their focus is on practical solutions that save time and effort, whether you're working in a busy office, a warehouse, or even a kitchen. 7lam products are built to last, offering durability without compromising on style or function. They blend innovation with simplicity, providing tools that are easy to use and make life more convenient. From trolleys to other essential items, everything is crafted with care to ensure high performance and reliability. 7lam's designs are meant to streamline your workflow, helping you stay organized and efficient. With a commitment to quality, they ensure that their products not only look good, but also deliver on what they promise. Whether you're looking to improve productivity or just need a tool to help with everyday tasks, 7lam offers solutions that meet your needs. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a top-of-the-line off-road RV built by SLRV Expedition Vehicles, designed for people who want both luxury and the ability to handle tough terrains. This custom-built vehicle offers a spacious and comfortable living experience, even when you're off the beaten path. What makes this model stand out is its two-story design, giving you extra room inside. Depending on how it's customized, the Commander 8x8 can come with all sorts of high-end features, like a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, cozy sleeping areas, a bathroom with a shower, a dining area, entertainment systems, and climate control. It's the perfect blend of rugged capability and luxury, making it ideal for those who love adventure, but also want to enjoy the comfort of a well-appointed home on wheels. Whether you're exploring remote areas or just taking a long road trip, the SLRV Commander 8x8 offers an incredible experience. The Tesla Cybertruck is an eagerly awaited electric pickup truck set to begin production in late 2023. Known for its futuristic design, impressive performance, and long range, the Cybertruck has captured significant attention in the automotive world. Its spacious interior can comfortably seat 6 adults, while the large cargo bed provides ample room for hauling gear. Inside, the truck features a 17-inch touchscreen infotainment system that controls all vehicle functions, offering a high-tech and streamlined experience. For those interested in camping, the Cybertruck's modular design allows for customizable camper shells. These can be outfitted with a variety of features, such as a kitchen and additional storage, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Starting at $39,900 for the single-motor rear-wheel drive model, the Tesla Cybertruck offers an innovative, eco-friendly option for both work and adventure. The Tesla Semi-Motorhome is an exciting concept that combines the strength of Tesla's electric semi-truck with the comfort of a high-end RV. This eco-friendly motorhome is built for long trips, using Tesla's advanced electric tech while still providing all the cozy features you'd expect in a luxury RV. Inside, it's all about blending comfort, style, and sustainability. The design is modern and smart, offering the conveniences of a top-tier motorhome. Think of an all-electric kitchen with energy-saving appliances, a compact bathroom with a low-flow shower and composting toilet, and a bedroom with a foldable bed for maximum space. On top of that, the motorhome would include clever storage solutions, adjustable lighting, and a climate control system that keeps things just right. It's the perfect option for eco-conscious adventurers who want to hit the road in style and comfort, all while minimizing their environmental impact. Truck Surf Hotel is a one-of-a-kind accommodation that brings together the thrill of surfing and the freedom of a mobile hotel. This converted truck is designed to be a cozy hotel on wheels, perfect for surfers and adventurers who won't want to explore the coast without the hassle of booking hotels or finding transport. Inside, the truck is cleverly laid out with several bedrooms, a common area, kitchen, bathrooms, and even a rooftop terrace to enjoy the views. Despite being on wheels, the interior is comfortable and functional, with all the essentials like beds, storage, seating, and a small kitchenette. What makes the Truck Surf Hotel stand out is its mobility. Guests can travel to various surf spots along the coast, guided by experienced drivers who know the best and most beautiful locations. It's a fun, hassle-free way to chase the waves and explore stunning coastal areas, all while staying in your own traveling hotel. Valentino Rossi's motorhome, known as the Currency House of 46, is like a dream home on wheels, traveling with him to MotoGP races. This massive mobile home, built by Spanish company Rio Vehicles, has about 85 square meters of space, which is as roomy as a nice apartment. It's towed by a strong 400 horsepower truck. The outside of the motorhome proudly shows off Rossi's famous number 46 and his VR46 logo, giving it a personal touch. Inside, it's packed with everything you'd expect in a luxury home. There's a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, a cozy double bedroom with a king-size bed, and a spacious living area where he can relax after a race. It even has a laundry room, so Rossi can take care of everything on the go. While the price of this amazing motorhome isn't publicly known, it's clear that it offers top-notch comfort and style for one of the biggest names in racing. The Yamaha Tri-Town is a fun and innovative electric three-wheeler designed to make city commuting easier and more enjoyable. It uses Yamaha's special leaning multi-wheel, LMW technology, which lets it lean into turns like a motorcycle, but still maintain the stability of a car. This makes it feel both exciting and secure while riding through city streets. With its compact design and eco-friendly electric motor, the Tri-Town is perfect for navigating busy urban areas. It's also easy to control and has a comfortable riding position, making it accessible to all kinds of riders, whether you're a beginner or more experienced. Plus, its sleek and modern look, along with advanced features, make it stand out from other electric vehicles on the market. Though Yamaha hasn't yet announced when it will be available or what it will cost, the Tri-Town is already creating buzz as a cool and sustainable option for city commuting.